Cats can make over 100 different sounds. Dogs make about 10. So if your cat is noisy, they're actually being scientifically impressive. Cats cannot taste sweetness, which means your cat ignoring dessert isn't discipline, it's biology. A cat's brain is about 90% similar to a human brain, which explains why they can judge you with such terrifying accuracy. Cats have 230 bones, humans only have 206. Your cat is basically a flexible skeleton covered in fur. Cats sweat, but only through their paws. So if you see tiny paw prints on the floor, your cat might actually be sweating. Cats can rotate their ears 180 degrees. Each ear contains over 30 muscles. Your cat's ears are basically satellite dishes. Cats have a third eyelid. It's called the nictitating membrane. It protects their eyes and makes them look slightly alien. Cats spend about 70% of their lives sleeping. If humans did that, we'd call it a crisis. When cats walk, they move both legs on one side of their body first. This is the same walking pattern used by camels and giraffes. Your house cat secretly walks like a desert animal. A cat's nose print is completely unique, just like human fingerprints, which means technically, your cat could commit crimes, but that was only 10 facts. We still have 40 more, and they get stranger. Cats can jump 6 times their body length. If humans could do that, we could jump over a 2-story house. Cats have incredible night vision. They can see in light levels about 6 times lower than humans, which explains the midnight zoomies. Cats can hear frequencies up to 64,000 hertz. Humans max out at about 20,000. Your cat can hear things you literally cannot imagine. Cats have an instinct called the righting reflex. It allows them to twist mid-air and land on their feet. Physics teachers hate this one trick. A cat's whiskers can detect tiny air movements. They help cats navigate in total darkness. Your cat is basically using air radar. Cats can run 30 miles per hour. That's faster than Usain Bolt's jogging speed. Thankfully, they rarely bother. Cats can squeeze through any opening that fits their head, which explains how they appear in places they should not exist. Cats can survive falls from extremely high places, because when falling long distances, their body relaxes like a parachute. Scientists call this the high-rise syndrome. Cats use their tails for balance and steering. It's basically a built-in aerial stabilizer. Your cat is an acrobat that refuses to admit it. And we are only at 20 facts. History gets even weirder. In ancient Egypt, cats were considered sacred animals. Killing a cat was punishable by death. Entire families would shave their eyebrows to mourn a cat. Ancient Egyptians even mummified cats. Thousands of them. Some cats were buried with gold jewelry. Modern cats are still expecting this treatment. The first cat video ever recorded dates back to 1894. Even before the internet, people were filming cats. Cats helped protect ancient grain stores from rodents, which means cats accidentally helped protect entire civilizations. During the Middle Ages, cats were sometimes blamed for witchcraft, which unfortunately led to mass killings of cats. Ironically, this allowed rat populations to explode, and that helped spread the plague. History lesson: always keep the cats. Cats spread around the world through trading ships. Sailors loved cats because they controlled rats on board. Cats basically conquered the planet one boat at a time. Today, there are over 600 million domestic cats in the world. They are one of the most successful predators on Earth. Despite being only about 10 pounds. That was 30 facts. Now we get into cat psychology. Cats slow blink to show trust. If your cat slow blinks at you, it's basically a cat smile. Cats headbutt you to mark you with their scent. You are officially their property. Cats often choose a favorite human, usually the person who is calm and predictable. So yes, your cat may have secretly ranked everyone in your house. Cats don't meow at other cats. They mostly meow to communicate with humans. Your cat has literally learned how to talk to you. Cats knead with their paws because kittens need their mothers while nursing. So when your cat needs you, they are remembering babyhood. Cats bring dead animals home because they think you are a terrible hunter. They are trying to help you. Cats love boxes because enclosed spaces reduce stress. To a cat, a cardboard box is a security bunker. Cats sleep on you because you are warm and smell familiar. You are basically a heated mattress. Cats may ignore you for hours, but they still track your location constantly. Your cat knows exactly where you are. We have reached 40 facts. The last 10 are the weirdest. A group of cats is called a clouder. Nobody knows why. One cat in Italy inherited $13 million, which technically made it a millionaire. In Alaska, a cat named Stubbs served as mayor of a small town for 20 years. Some cats have survived falls from over 30 stories. Cats can drink seawater. Their kidneys are extremely efficient at filtering salt. Cats cannot move their jaws side to side, which is why they tear food instead of chewing. The oldest recorded cat lived to be 38 years old. That's basically cat immortality. The average house cat can recognize its owner's voice. It just chooses to ignore it. Cats spend about 1/3 of their waking hours grooming. They are the cleanest tiny predators on the planet. And finally, cats were never fully domesticated. They simply decided living with humans was convenient. If you learned something new today, your brain is now officially more feline. And if you want more strange cat science, subscribe to Feline Facts, because the more we learn about cats, the weirder they get.